You see this down here, looks like a dock, a place where you can put your boat down. And there's nobody here right now. And I started to go down, and then I heard somebody say, "Better not go down there, Alice. There's a right mean man down there." And so I walked along and I looked along and I didn't see anyone at all. And I said, "Who are you anyway?" And the voice of an older man said, "This here is my place." And I said, "Are you a gnome or a brownie maybe?" And no one answered. And I said, "Do you live underground?" And the voice of the man said, "Yeah." And I was walking along right over here, and the wind started up a little bit from Lake Piru, and I heard some children's voices from across the way say, all in a chorus, they said, "On a windy day you can hear him say, 'Better stay away. This is my neck of the woods.'" It's a neck of water here, and there's another one over there that's kind of dried up right now. Yeah. This is the neck of land. I'm guessing it might either be a gnome or a brownie that lives underground, or a man that used to live here once, long ago. Well, I was walking along right now, and I got to thinking that some voices of children that I had heard a little earlier, all talking together, might have been mountain lion cubs, because they were saying, "Would you bring it home to us?" And I thought at the time, maybe they were thinking about me. Then I heard similar voices of a number of children saying, "On a windy day you can hear him say," that story. And I thought, maybe those are mountain lion cubs too. So I was walking along, and I thought to ask them, "Are you mountain lion cubs?" So I did. And they said, "Yeah, that's what we are. We don't know why other people can't hear us too."